Hi guys, just another quick one. We haven't even been able to get these all out and show you a play and show and tell. So this is just another bunch of stuff that's coming in. If you want to see more or a close-up or see more about what's coming in, jump on our newsletters or jump on our website and have a look at things. Couple of, well, I will point out though, that's the new Hasegawa combi van. That's the microbus 1963 full interior version. So there's quite a bit in that. The reissue of the Star Trek stuff. Another Volkswagen from Hasegawa. Whoop, just knocked things over there. It's probably upside down now. James Bond from AMT. Yeah, AMT. James Bond's Mustang. That's pretty cool. From Mark 1 in 1144th scale. That's the Sea Venom, but that's the Aussie one. And there's 4 choices of markings in that, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. That's 1144 scale. And if you want to put some weapons or towing units, that's there as well. We've had a whole lot, big shipment of Strelitz figures just come back in. So if you're chasing that sort of stuff, that's pretty cool. Another one of the cars there. The last of the Phantoms. The Japanese were one of the last groups to be flying Phantoms, so that's a special markings one that they've done. But other than that, guys, if you're really chasing to see what else is new, we'll try and get these up onto the system in some other videos in the future. But right now, these are in stock. Jump on our website, have a look. See you then. Have a great day.